We have definitely pushed into our targeted resistance in the 440s. It begins at 442.26 and ends at the rising channel top at 444.99. We are right in this zone, actually a little higher. It really is a weekly settlement tomorrow above 444.99. That sets up continued vertical move to 498.83, that December high of last year. This is probably a 2 to 3 week target, and within 2 to 3 months or less, 541.33 would be expected if we close the week itself above 444.99. Until then, as challenging as it has been, this is a zone to take profits on a previously held long position and to consider playing the short side. We do have a rising channel top at 448.45. We're focusing on this zone, and it really is a weekly settlement at this juncture. So we've got another day to go before we really have clarity in terms of whether we can anticipate longer-term upward continuation into the 540s by the end of the third quarter or sooner. We do have this descending channel top that held nicely yesterday, and we've had it as an intraday resistance all along. I'd mentioned how this is a decent day trade, 452.34. I do think if we close today, Thursday, above 452.34, it is likely that we will close the week above that 444.99 channel top. So if you're itching to go long this market now, because we have been pushing through this zone, but not closing above it. If we close tomorrow, Friday, above 444.99, we do have a buy signal that we are expecting to play out through June into July, the 540s in reach. And if we close today above 452.34, you may begin to initiate a long position just based on that alone. Closing today above 452.34 should yield 474.07 tomorrow, Friday. And then, of course, closing above 444.99, anticipating upward continuation into the 540s over the next several months. Until then, 442.26. From there, we could fall back to what is now 347.63 and rising. We could trade inside of this band between 347 and 442 for the next 2 to 3 months, and that still may play out, especially if we close tomorrow, Friday, below 442.26 and allow this market to grow overbought as we move through the month of June. We could find ourselves in the upper 340s, low 350s. There's also on the way down 387.07, this descending channel top. The downside for the day itself, if we do happen to test it, 426.50 can contain intraday, possibly daily selling pressures. Closing below 426.50 is a good high for the week. So if you've yet to set a short position, anticipating or at least hoping for bearish rotation now as we continue through the rest of May and into June, I do think closing today below this 426 half formation is an early sign of that. Closing today below 426 half, we should on Friday test 409.03. Please click like, share, subscribe.